Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Shani. This is part 3 of Jamaican raw stewed chicken. So in the first two tutorials, I seasoned the chicken, and this is the end result from the seasoning. I separated the seasoning from the chicken and seared it off. So it's really just pretty much filling the chicken and browning it to lock everything in. So now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of butter to the pan, and we're going to saute our seasoning that we took from the chicken, which is thyme, tomato, green onions, red onions, bell pepper, and scallion. We're going to saute this for about 5 minutes. Show you on it with the bowl right there. Okay. And your heat should be on medium high. Just smell that aroma. Right now I'm also going to add the mixture that I made earlier with the ketchup, the soy sauce, and the El Paso hot sauce. Stir that in. And for some reason my heat is not getting high enough, so I'm going to turn it up a little bit more. And then I'm going to put in my 1 tablespoon of browning. See how dark that is? And you don't want to add too much of this because it will make your dish very black if you do. And last but not least, I'm going to add the sofrito I was telling you about. And yes, this sofrito is red because I use red bell pepper. And sometimes I do use green, like I said before. But for this particular dish, I use red. Okay, so now we're going. Now it's starting to do what I want it to do. Just to thicken up a little bit. Then we're going to add our chicken. We're going to add our, oh, I forgot to tell you in the first two that I do sometimes add 1/4 cup water with a tablespoon of cornstarch, but this time I ran out of cornstarch, so I used a tablespoon of flour instead. And then I also add 1 cup of just plain clear water. If you could zoom on this for me so they could see what needs to happen with the sauce. Okay, so now I'm going to add my water. And then I'm going to let this come to a boil. Should take about 3 minutes if you keep your fire on the same setting. Real simple to do. Sorry I'm not so energetic and talking into the camera tonight. I went out to the movies and saw X-Men First Class, and I might say that was a good movie. I am an X-Men fan. Okay, and so now it's starting to boil again. What I want to do is add in the chicken. And I'm not going to add the 1/4 cup of water with flour until this has started to boil up a little bit again.